Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to be solving WAEC question number 12B. All right. So we are asked to simplify this. It's very simple. So what do we do? Solution. The first thing to do is to factorize this man. So I have 2n squared minus 3n minus 2 all over 2n squared plus 3n plus 1 then times n squared minus 1 all over n squared minus 4. Now let us factorize this. I want to do it somewhere here. So I have 2n squared minus 3n minus 2. Okay. So you multiply this and this to give you minus 4n squared. So what are the two things to replace this? It's obviously minus 4 and 1. So this is 2n squared minus 4n minus n then minus 2. Okay. This and this will still give, sorry, plus this. This and this will still give us this. So I'm having that what is common between these two people is 2n. 2n into this is n, then into this is 2. The same thing here, n minus 2. Minus minus is plus, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So I am left with n minus 2 and 2n plus 1. So for the numerator, I'm getting n minus 2 and 2n plus 1. Okay? So now let's do the denominator. For the denominator, I'm having 2n squared plus 3n plus 1. If this multiplied by this, I'm going to have 2n squared. The two factors here are 2n and n. So I'm going to have 2n squared plus 2n plus n plus 1. Okay? This plus this will still give us this. So if I open two brackets, I'll see that what is common between these two is 2n. Okay? When this divide by this, I'm having n plus. When this divide by itself, I have 1. So let me repeat it here, n plus 1. Plus plus is plus, and 1 divided by 1 is 1. So I'm having that n plus 1 and the 2n plus 1 are the two factors for the denominator. So I'm having n plus 1 and 2n plus 1 as the denominator times. Now this is difference of two squares. Okay, you should know that a squared minus b squared is the same as saying a minus a plus b. Okay, a plus b is still multiplied by a minus b. It is called difference of two squares. So this thing can be written as n squared minus 1 squared. Okay, which is same as what? N minus 1 and n plus 1. Okay, so we're having that here for the numerator is what? N plus 1 and n minus 1. Okay, all over. The same thing here again. This one can be written as n squared minus 2 squared. Okay, because 4 is same as 2 squared. So it's equally difference of two squares. So it's same as saying n plus 2 and n minus 2. So we have the denominator as n plus 2 and n minus 2. Okay, so obviously this is taking care of this. Obviously n minus 2 is taking care of n minus 2. Obviously n plus 1 is taking care of n plus 1. Obviously, so I am left with what? N minus 1 all over what? N plus 2 as my result. Okay, so you see that it is very simple. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you don't know how I factorize this, you can watch my video on quadratic equation. Okay, you understand better. May the peace of the Lord be with you. I really appreciate those that are liking our video, sharing to their friends and commenting. May the peace of the Lord be with you. Bye bye.